Welcome to the CMS Broadcast. Today is Thursday the 18th. The day back from winter break will be January 6th, 2026. I hope you have a good holiday, and we both have a surprise for you. Here is some footage of the CMS band performing at their concert.
They're really good. Speaking of the holidays, what is your guys' New Year's resolution? Mine is to get good grades. Boys basketball signups are in the office. Practices start when we get back from a break.
How excited are you for the Winter Wonderland dance? And how do you think Spirit Week went? If you have any suggestions or questions, ask a Stuco member, Mr. Salzman, or Miss Collins.
Today is also Viking Thursday, so show your support and wear your Viking clothes. Did you know that December 21st is the shortest day of the year with only 8 hours and 45 minutes of daylight?
Yeah.
The character of the week is Jack Frost from the Rise of Guardians.
It's not too late to sign up for the Washington, D.C., Philadelphia, and New York City trip in March 2027. If you have any questions, ask Miss Collins. Also, today is Santa versus Grinch Day.
Here's the joke of the week. What did one snowman say to the other?
What?
I smell carrots too. But that's all we got this week. Bye.
My shoe! Here's some footage of the CMS band performing at their concert.
Speaking of the holidays, what is your guys'?
Here's some footage of the girls' basketball team. Wait, Gabe, dang it!
The character of the week is Drumroll. I said Drumroll.